Softdell just announced the biggest hiring internship full-time opportunity. Just announced the big mass opportunity. If you want to apply and get the shortlisting mail, watch video till end, because in this video there is 30 LPA, 20 LPA package. Tesla just announced the big mass hiring. The package is very high. And one more thing I want to tell you, there is a 2 hiring SAP Global and / Labs, which is going to be a big mass opportunity. Now one thing I want to tell you, Softdell just announced the internship full stack hiring. If you scroll down and check, Pune location is there. Fresher is the experience needed, means all fresher is eligible. BE, BTech, MCA, BCA student or recent grads is eligible, means 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, RESTful API, database, problem solving is compulsory. If you are putting front end plus back end plus database, means you are a full stack developer, mean you can easily put even full stack Java, even Python full stack. So if you are having full stack knowledge, no matter what programming you have, but if you're having full stack domain, then you are good to go to apply for this hiring, because this is internship, fresher is eligible, and Pune location is there. If you scroll down and check, only this domain is written, which is you have to put in resume. And one more thing, BE, BTech, MCA, BCA is eligible. Keep in mind, all branches not eligible. Only CS, IT, electrical branches is eligible, because this is pure IT role. Update resume, and you have to put your updated resume. There is a checkbox, you have to click on checkbox and submit it. There is only resume they are asking. Why? Because this is fresher opportunity. They are shortlisting if these mean full stack Java, full stack Python, these domain is, if you are putting in resume, then there is the shortlisting. You will easily get to see the online assessment or even direct interview. So this is paid internship. 25,000 per month is the paid internship stipend. So don't worry, just hit the apply button. Before that, you have to update your resume. Already told you this is the big mass opportunity. So hit the bell icon button and please do subscribe my channel, like this video. Next opportunity, Tesla just announced a software engineering intern, and this is the huge package, very huge package. तो उसकी बात तो करेंगे नहीं, because this is full time opportunity. Delhi location is there. BE, BTech in computer science, IT, software engineering is eligible. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Again, if you see that full stack knowledge if you have, you can easily get the shortlisting mail and put all these domain in resume. One more thing, this is absolutely for fresher. 26, 25, 24 batches eligible. One more thing want to tell you, that click on apply, but before that you have to update your resume. So why I told you full stack, because if you see the domain like front end development, software development is compulsory. So you have to put a mean Java full stack, Python full stack. If you having these knowledge, you can easily get the shortlisting mail, because if you are going to put HTML, CSS only, then there will be not a shortlisting. ठीक है, तुम्हारे को reject कर दिया जाएगा. So put all these domain which is written here and these responsibilities part. This is not a normal hiring. This is big mass opportunity. 15 or 20 LP is the package, क्योंकि Tesla है, पता ही होगा तुम्हें, बहुत बड़ी hiring की जा रही है. But absolutely fresher is eligible. This is the big thing, because no experience needed or no experienced candidate is eligible. Only fresher they want. It means competition is less, and interview will be very easy, or online assessment also will be very easy. But the thing is, you have to get the shortlisting mail. First update your resume, click on apply now as soon as possible. So SAP Global just announced apprentice of software development engineering. 2 role is there. Just ignore this opening one. Okay, this is not making sense. And now the thing is, BE, BTech, computer science, IT, software engineering, data science is eligible. Python, SQL, AWS, and some interview skill is compulsory. Now the apprenticeship is going for looking to hire young fresh grads, especially 24-25 pass out, which is going to be a 1-month apprenticeship program. The thing is, BE, BTech, computer science, IT, software engineering only is eligible. Now what to put in resume, these are the domain you have to put in resume, and here you can also select the domains. Now there is shortlisting. Before clicking on apply now, okay, you have to first update your resume, because this is the apprenticeship. There is no experience, no project experience is needed, because they are providing you the training after shortlisting, and you have to just put these domain. It means you have somehow some knowledge of IT domain. That's it. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Fresh grads is eligible. 24-25 pass out is eligible. That's it. But if you are ready to do the training of 1 year, then you can easily apply. And if you are a fresher, you must have to apply. This is a big opportunity for you. Last opportunity coming from / Labs, and a junior developer role is there. Ignore opening one. This is not they did not update it yet, because यहाँ पे एक ओपनिंग के लिए थोड़ी ना हायरिंग निकालेंगे. अब यहाँ पे जूनियर डेवलपर जावा, पाइथन एंड मन स्टैक अगेन एलिजिबल. इफ यू सी दैट मोस्टली मन स्टैक, मीन स्टैक, फुल स्टैक they are asking. So what you have to do, just put all these domain, and if you see one thing, that basic and familiarity understanding only is written there. It means all fresher is eligible. Now what you have to do, not any graduate, just BE, BTech, computer science, IT, software engineering, electrical branches is eligible. because this is pure IT role and one stack development is compulsory. Now if you see that one thing that this is nice to have, but you must have to put Git and GitHub. This is not a nice to have, this is mandatory, otherwise here you can post your projects. ठीक है, तो ये mention कर देना. And HTML CSS is obviously compulsory because you are a one stack developer, web developer, so put HTML CSS. And you have to first update your resume for /lab also, and for apprenticeship SAP Global, for Tesla also, and for Softdell also. So these all are IT domains. And one more thing, that in apprenticeship there is one thing I want to tell you, that not apprenticeship, this Tesla 26-25 is eligible, and for /lab 25, 24, 23 batch is eligible, but all fresher is eligible on all 4 mass opportunities. These are direct recruitment drive. Don't miss this hiring. Just update your resume for all hirings, and please apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss a single second. Just hit the apply button and just hit the subscribe button also, and please join WhatsApp and Telegram, and please apply today only. Don't save this video or don't bookmark this video. Just apply it as soon as possible and like this video because today is the last date. ठीक है, thanks for watching.